Welcome, another episode of Crypto Bros. This is the list that I've shown you, our buying list for 26. We have also said that probably February will be the low point of this cycle. Today, Bitcoin is reaching about 72,000 just after Trump was talking to Coinbase and announced that it's going to be super supportive for crypto, so everybody's super happy. For a moment we forgot about all those wars around the world, in Dubai, in Middle East, in Ukraine, Afghanistan and all that. So we are bouncing back. So it's a good moment to remind you guys that we do have a list that we need to cover. This list, as I mentioned a couple of times, is the optimum. That list is optimized towards new user growth. The more users come, those cryptos should benefit the most. That is our top 10. And besides top 10, we've got all other cryptos that are interesting in making money or otherwise interesting for us. So today we're going to try to do it a bit differently. Today we're going to try to work with ChatGPT, see what knowledge does Chat have, and that can help us with this. So it's live. I didn't test it before, so let's see what we can do. Hello, I'm interested in investing in Jupiter DEX on Solana. Can you show me and present to me top benefits, achievements for that investment, for that protocol?
Jupiter DEX on Solana certainly made a name for itself. One big benefit is its liquidity aggregation. Basically, it scans the whole Solana ecosystem to get users the best trade prices. It's also known for its speed, thanks to Solana's fast transactions. They've handled billions in trading volume, so that shows adoption and trust. Plus, they've expanded beyond just swapping. They're building out perpetuals and other DeFi tools. For an investor, that broad utility and user traction are solid signals.
Yes, I like that composition of DEX, perpetuals, and other tools. Can you give me more details about this?
Absolutely. Jupiter initially built its reputation as the go-to swap aggregator on Solana. They pull prices from multiple decentralized exchanges to ensure users get the best rate. As they expanded, they ventured into perpetual futures, offering leveraged trading on-chain. That's a major revenue stream in DeFi. They're also branching into other structured products, think limit orders and yield strategies, which gives users more options. For you, that diversity means a broader user base and more potential revenue streams. Plus, Solana's low fees and speed make these tools very cost-effective for users.
Are they making some revenues?
Yes, they are. Jupiter's aggregator earns fees from facilitating trades, and with their high volume, that does add up. As they expand into perpetual futures, that's another revenue stream since perpetual platforms typically take fees on trades and liquidations. Their growing suite of products could continue to diversify revenue sources, though always check their latest stats, as DeFi revenues can fluctuate.
Are you able to check exact numbers? Now that can take a while, so let's wait.
Jupiter on Solana is generating about $131 million in annual revenue currently, with about $192 million from their perpetual trading specifically. In total, the protocol has earned around $392 million to date. In a recent quarter, they made $46 million in revenue, with nearly half from perpetual trades. These numbers depend on market conditions, and revenue doesn't necessarily mean direct token returns, but it shows strong activity.
Those numbers are really good. Should we expect those numbers to grow with the bull market and new users coming in? And what percentage of growth do you like see?
In a bull market, DeFi platforms often see big user and volume surges. So yes, growth is very likely. Predicting an exact percentage is tricky, but historically major DEX volumes have doubled or even tripled in bull cycles. If Solana adoption grows and Jupiter maintains leadership, triple-digit percentage growth could be realistic. Just remember it depends on market conditions and competition, but upward momentum is a strong bet in a bullish environment.
Okay, and how can myself as a token holder benefit from Jupiter growth?
As a token holder, your benefits will depend on Jupiter's token model. If they implement revenue sharing or fee rebates, you might get a share of trading fees. If they have governance, you can vote on platform upgrades. And if the token has staking, you might earn yields. Some tokens also benefit from buybacks or burns, which reduce supply over time. So it's key to understand their tokenomics, what's already in place or planned.
So nothing like that is implemented yet?
As is now, Jupiter's token model hasn't rolled out direct fee sharing or staking rewards. The token is primarily used for governance right now, meaning holders can vote on decisions about the protocol's future. Of course, that could evolve. Many protocols introduce incentives later. So if you're looking for direct yield now, it's more a governance play. But keep an eye on future updates.
I have also seen token launches with Jupiter. Will that be a new benefit?
Yes, Jupiter has been expanding into launchpads, facilitating token launches directly on their platform. If you hold their token, you might get exclusive allocations or priority access to new projects. That can be a valuable perk, especially in early stage high demand launches. It's still evolving, but yes, that could be another benefit if they expand these offerings.
So that is another revenue stream. Do you know of any other revenue streams?
In addition to swaps, perpetuals, and launchpads, Jupiter's expanding structured products like limit orders and yield strategies. While these aren't always direct revenue streams like trading fees, they enhance the platform's ecosystem, drawing more users and potentially increasing fee generation. Also, some protocols eventually introduce premium services or partnerships. So while swaps and perpetuals remain core revenue streams now, they're steadily adding layers of potential.
Do you know of any partnerships with wallets or other protocols?
Jupiter is integrated into a lot of Solana wallets, like Phantom and Soulflare, so users can access Jupiter swaps directly. They've also partnered with other DeFi protocols on Solana to help with liquidity and cross-integration. As the ecosystem grows, these partnerships boost Jupiter's accessibility and volume. So while the core business is the DEX, these integrations help drive user traffic from across the Solana ecosystem.
So that's interesting because Solfra and Phantom are top wallets on Solana. Does it mean that everybody shopping on those wallets will be essentially using Jupiter?
Not exactly everyone, but a large number of users will have Jupiter as an option. When someone uses these wallet swap features, Jupiter is often tapped as a route to find the best price. So while users might not be aware it's Jupiter behind the scenes, the protocol acts as the engine for many swaps. This broad integration means substantial volume passes through Jupiter, even if indirectly.
Do we know if all the users of Phantom are using Jupiter? What's the percentage? So I didn't actually know
We
that.
don't have an exact percentage showing how many Phantom wallet users specifically use Jupiter. However, Jupiter handles over half of all decentralized exchange trading volume on Solana, and Phantom has confirmed that many of its swaps do route through Jupiter. On some days, Jupiter has over 520,000 active addresses interacting with it. So while a substantial portion likely uses Jupiter, the exact proportion isn't publicly specified.
So as you can see, this is those numbers are big, and we are in the middle of the bull market. I wish of bear market. Plus expansion to different products. I didn't even know that Jupiter is actually super integrated into Phantom and Solfra, which are top protocols if it goes to Solana dexes. So it all looks really good. That is one of the major plays that is a bit more diversified than like a pure derivatives play that we were talking about previously, which was hyperliquid. So that is a safer play, right? Jupiter is in the market for much longer. Jupiter is also on different chain, and Jupiter is not only perpetual, it's not only DEX, it's evolving and it's growing, and it is a fantastic addition to our hyperliquid token that we were talking as our number one buy. I do think that it will be one of the top protocols that will benefit in the next bull market and the next user growth. purely because Solana will be one of the best benefitors of the user growth as well. So if you want more details, just go on the Jupiter website. Obviously, I wanted to encourage you to see the numbers, see the profits, see the ideas that they are trying to implement into the protocol, that they are not purely leaving it as a DEX. They are trying to grow for more users, for more interaction, for more service to the users. For now only on Solana. Maybe it will stay on Solana, but it's a great protocol, and obviously one of the top profit making protocols in crypto. Hope you liked it. See you at the next project.